How to raise audio volume. To get started, I added an audio to my timeline, and I want to raise the volume of it. Select the audio, then go to Audio tab, which opens Essential Sound panel for us. In here, select the type of audio it is. I just select music. Then go down and click Volume section and check the level and increase it all the way up to 15 decibels. If it is not enough and you want to raise the volume even more, select your audio in timeline and then press the G key on your keyboard to open Audio Gain window. In here you can adjust the gain by 5 to increase the volume 5 decibels more. Now let's say you want to increase volume for only a part of your audio. To do that, first undo all changes by pressing ctrl+C multiple times. Then select Razor tool and cut the part that you want. Now with Selection tool, select this part, and then go to Essential Sound panel and increase the volume. Now only the middle part has a higher volume, but when playing it, the volume changes are a bit sudden. To fix this problem, go to Effects panel, under Audio Transition, under Crossfade, drag the constant gain in between your audios to smooth them out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.